Hi, I'm Chap from Hong Kong and I'm studying physiotherapy here at the University of Central Lancashire. Studying in the UK may be different to the education system in your home country. During your first few weeks, you'll be getting to grips with new skills you haven't encountered before, whether that's learning new techniques in a lab, getting hands-on with unfamiliar technology, carrying out research, or writing in an academic style. At the same time, you will be working on assignments and adjusting to more independent learning. Critical thinking and problem solving are key skills you'll be encouraged to learn, and these are very useful skills to have in any job. We won't lie, it may be tough at times, but we promise you have all the support and resources you need to thrive here and eventually graduate with a qualification that you are proud of. Don't hesitate to reach out, as there's always someone available to help you. Beyond academics, make the most of your experience at the university by taking time for yourself. There are over 100 clubs and societies you can join, explore the northwest of England and meet new people.